Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Thursday, February 8th, 2018, and today in our Tech News Update, well, there's a new Insider Preview. Surprise, surprise, Insider Preview build 17093 was released yesterday, late in the day. So, of course, if you're an insider in the fast ring, this is another build of Redstone 4. There are some new stuff in there, and if you want to have my full review, it's coming up just in a little short while, so hang in there. I'll be posting my review soon. Well, if you've bought a smart TV, that's a Samsung or Roku smart TV, and some other models might be affected also. A report says that the latest models, first of all, not only give much more information than you might think to the manufacturer, it actually is super easy to hack remotely. And it just shows that all of these connected devices, well, they might have a lot of security problems, and that something needs to be done. If you got an Xbox One, a new update has shown up, and it includes new features like Do Not Disturb. Yeah, why didn't it call it Focus Assist? Haha, no, it's called Do Not Disturb. And of course, there's also mini game hubs that has appeared in there. In the latest update, all you have to do is go to your updates and check out the latest update for your Xbox. Well, PUBG, or Player Unknown Battlegrounds, is one of the very popular games right now, and also has shown how a lot of people are cheating. 2.5 million cheaters have been removed from the service or banned from the service. 1 million in January alone, using the BattleEye anti-cheating technology. It is really understood that it's a huge problem and that something needs to be done. Wow, Google might be, thanks to a few rumors going on, releasing a game console and a game streaming service through Chromecast that would be released sometime in 2018. And who knows, maybe we'll know more at Google I/O. Well, we of course knew that Intel had released a lot of buggy firmware or microcode for their CPUs. Now they started releasing again the corrected processor code, but only right now for Skylake. If you use an older processor, still not there. But of course, we are keeping an eye on that, and as soon as it's possible, I will let you know. Well, an interesting study looked at people that work from home, and also the fact that in the past 10 years, people have more and more been doing a lot of things at home and going out less. Thanks also in part to streaming services that you can watch movies and TV shows at home. And they say that this, in the last 10 years alone, according to a study published in Joules, that means less energy was consumed by everyone, and that basically it's a good thing, and that more people should actually work from home. It really saves energy. So some hackers have kind of shown that they can easily bypass the Windows Defender anti-ransomware protection from Windows 10 using the help of Microsoft Office. Well, it seems that when they use OLE objects, what happens is that they are able to simply drop and infect the machine with ransomware super easily. So of course, now that we know, probably will be an update for Defender that will fix that. This is a great guy. His name is John Barlow, and he's an advocate, and have been for a long time advocate of a free internet and net neutrality. He's the co-founder of the Electronics Frontier Foundation, and he has passed away at the age of 70. And finally, interesting, the police in China is actually using some sunglasses that can actually do facial recognition. And basically what they do, they are using it right now at the train station in Zhengzhou, where, of course, there's a lot of things going on because of Chinese New Year, lots of visitors. So apparently they are testing that out and might actually deploy this to all of their police force everywhere in China. Apparently they can identify almost immediately any Chinese citizen. That is scary. So this was the Tech News Update for Thursday, February 8th, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.